Welcome to Swag Scare, and today I'm going to make a very interesting, easy and quick recipe, that is cheesy mayo sandwich. And inside the sandwich I will be putting a lot many vegetables to make it delightful and colorful. So friends, without wasting more time, let's start the procedure. So guys, these are all the ingredients that are required for our veggie cheese sandwich. So first of all, we need a mixing bowl, and into this mixing bowl I will be adding on the veggies. You just keep on noting it down. First of all, here I am taking capsicum, one medium size capsicum. Into it I'll be adding onion. I have taken all the veggies in the same proportion, and these are the mushrooms. Here I am adding the corn. These are the sweet corns. I have boiled it before. Now I will be adding tomatoes. So friends, I have taken all the ingredients in the proportion of 1/4 cup I have taken of each vegetables. And here I am putting coriander, and these are the green chilies. I have taken 2 green chilies, and if you like more spicy you can add more chilies to it. And now I'll be mixing it. Now into this mixture I will be adding some salt. Here I am taking 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's up to your taste, so put the salt according to your taste. Now I will be adding the cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. I will grate it and add into this mixture. So friends, here I have added processed cheese, mozzarella cheese. I have added 1 cube of mozzarella cheese. Now into it I will be adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now into it I will be adding some mayonnaise. I am going to add it to make our sandwich more creamier. Here I am adding 2 teaspoon of mayonnaise, that I am adding veg mayonnaise. Just give a proper mix so that all the vegetables will be blended with each other. Now you can see all our veggies are combined with each other very perfectly. Now we are done with the stuffing. So friends, today I will be using this hand toaster. You can use the electrical toaster if you want instead of it. Now I will be brushing out some butter. Here I have used the butter in room temperature. Here I am brushing out some butter. Instead of butter you can use ghee also. Now we are done. I will keep this bread side inside the toaster and brush a little butter into it. Then a little mayo. That much is enough. Now the veggies will go. Spread the veggies over the bread. Over the veggies, I will be putting a cheese slice over it. It's optional. If you want, you can put. If not, you can skip this. I will be putting another bread slice above it. press some butter on the top of the bread. That's it. Now we close the toast maker. Now I will put direct onto the flame. So just keep in mind to keep the flame in a medium or low. You can see the flame is in medium. Now I will keep it like this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you just turn the other side of the toast maker, and again we have to cook for 1 minute. Open it, you can see we have got the perfect color. Pressing out some butter. The toast maker and cook it for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, just off the flame, and now our sandwich is ready. You can see how delicious and yummy it looks. Now we have to transfer it in a plate. Transfer it into a plate. Now with the help of this pizza cutter, I am going to divide this bread so that we can get a proper sandwich shape. Our cheesy sandwich is now ready. Thank you friends for watching my video. As today I have shared a very easy recipe, so do not wait very long. Try at your home. You can have it in your breakfast time or at your evening snacks time, or even you can pack it and give to your children in their lunch box. So friend, keep watching my channel. Subscribe it, like it. Thank you.